right, guys, we're gonna do some organizing today. Texture was sprayed yesterday. The floor is complete. We will start the shower process today installing our wavy ceramic large format tile. Again, a bit of a mess. We're gonna do some organizing. There's our freestanding tub. We love this IQ shop vac. We use this for sanding the walls, attached it to our drywall. 20-volt sander. So we're gonna do some organizing, pull all of this protection off, pull all of the clips. Texture is complete. We're going to prep the shower for tile, install 2 new pre-hung doors, 1 pre-hung door there, 1 back over here as well. We have our pocket door installed. So everything is going well. Time to clean up some of this mess, cover the floor, get everything prepped for paint, for the shower, and for the doors. Here we go. All right, here we are, guys, working on the shower now. Our wavy ceramics going up real quick here. Full tiles to the niche. Curb's almost done. We're gonna work on the bench, the side walls, as well as this pony wall here. Try to finalize this shower today. Shouldn't be a problem. We got quartz capping here, as well as the curb. We are going to install the same tile for the sill all the way around the niche as well. All right, we're gonna start our wainscot. We're gonna mimic the back wall of the shower so that it flows below the window and below here where our freestanding tub will be installed. So it'll be a mirror image of the back wall. Shower's coming along really nice here. Curb's done, working on the bench. We have a quartz to cap that. Our pony wall is all capped off as well. Coming along, quick and easy. So one thing we love about this little beast 8-inch rigid is, one, a drop fence. This helps with big, heavy slabs of quartz like this, or your 4-foot tiles. You can drop the fence down so it's nice and flush. You have a fence here, and you have stabilizer bars, which will support the weight of that very heavy quartz. Let's show you how this cuts. Smooth and easy, very lightweight. We love the Screamer, aka rigid 8-inch. Things are moving real smooth right now. Time to grout the floor. Shower is complete. Doors are painted 2 to 3 coats. Pocket door is painted as well. Wainscot's installed. We will grout the wainscot as well as the shower tomorrow. We've cleaned everything up, prepped the floor, so we're going to grout with Prism. Had the river rock all sealed up prior to grouting. Arctic white going up on the walls by Prism. Shower will be grouted. The floor has been grouted already. Fantastic color. Prism as well. 50% offset. Everything is looking clean. So wainscot grout, shower grout. We're gonna go have a nice mushroom burger comeback and install baseboard, toilet, and some miscellaneous items. So let's have a grout party.